Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm currently a student at Arizona State University getting my bachelor's in health sciences. When I started my journey into the medical field, I started evaluating my life choices and how it's affected my overall health. Type 2 diabetes has been a disease that has ran in my family on both sides. Because of this, I started asking myself, what can I do to improve my overall well-being and take preventative measures to avoid an outcome that I've seen so many times within my family? Through my research, I stumbled upon plant-based diets. I noticed there was a lot of misinformation on the internet, so I decided to create Root Recipes. Root Recipes is a science-driven blog that helps educate those looking to improve their health and to inspire them to stay on track and form better, healthy eating habits through a plant-based diet. At Root Recipes, our mission statement is to encourage a plant-based diet and get back to the root of wellness. So why should you go plant-based? Well, there's several health reasons why you should. One of them that's a big one for me was diabetes. So the CDC states that over 34 million Americans struggle with diabetes, and 90 to 95% of those people have type 2 diabetes. In one article that I found, a plant-based diet was an effective tool for prevention and management of diabetes. One thing that should be noted is the type and source of the carbs, fats, and proteins that you eat play a role in the prevention management. So that means you can't go eating French fries every single day, no matter how delicious they are. In the study, it was observed that vegans had half the rate of type 2 diabetes compared to non-vegans. Even semi-vegetarians had intermediate benefits. So it was suggested that even a small increase in red meats and poultry disproportionately increased the risk of type 2 diabetes. Not only does plant-based diets prevent diabetes, it can also play a role in help treating obesity. Exercising is a great way to lose weight and be healthy, but it's not the only way. To create a balance with our body, we also need to think about what we're putting into our body. In a 16-week trial, researchers studied the metabolic changes and benefits of obese participants who partook in a plant-based diet. The research showed that plant-based diets improved fat mass and reduced body weight. Fat mass is defined as the part of your body that is just strictly fat. So they weren't losing muscle weight, they were just losing the fat. If the health benefits don't inspire you to want to go plant-based, perhaps addressing the environmental issues will change your mind. Livestock produces 18% of human-induced greenhouse gas emissions. That's higher than the global transportation, which is only at 14%. Livestock also produces 37% of global methane emissions and 65% of global nitrous oxide emissions, 9% of global carbon dioxide. Because of this, the livestock production can pollute fresh water through soil erosion from the amount of animal manure used for fertilizing. Animal operations are also moving into marginal lands, which is causing deforestation and damage to wildlife habitats, which threatens the biodiversity globally. By reducing meat consumption, it reduces the meat production, which will then lessen the greenhouse gases, less damage to the wildlife habitats, and this would create a life where not only we will thrive personally, but our environment will also thrive with us. I hope this video was knowledgeable and maybe may make you consider going plant-based. Thank you.